In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate 3D characters step by step. You'll learn how to generate characters for free, animate them, and even make them lip sync to your audio, all without needing to know how to draw or use complex tools. If you've ever thought, I don't know how to animate, or I can't draw, don't worry. I've got you covered with the easiest and completely free method to bring your characters to life, just like the animation you're watching right now. And hey, I'm NyarkoWiz. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on awesome content like this.
Alright, so the first thing we have to do right now is to generate our character. You can either use ChatGPT or Grok. So let's try with ChatGPT first, alright? Because I want the character to look like me, I'll have to upload my image. So I click on the plus sign, add photos, alright? And I'll go through my images and find the one that I prefer to use. Okay, so I think I have to go to correction here. I have this image here, the first one over there. I'll have to upload it. Okay, so when it's done uploading, I will give it a prompt to generate the avatar for me. Okay, so I have this prompt. I'll leave it in the description box. Generate a 3D male cartoon character from that image, sitting in a YouTube studio background, wearing blue top with the name NyarkoWiz. Click on enter, and then ChatGPT will start doing the magic for us. Let's wait a minute. Our character is ready, so you have to download it onto our device. Alright, once that is done, I think we have to try the Grok as well to generate another avatar. Alright, so let's use the Grok. So I already have the Grok app installed on my phone. Yeah, so you can download this from Play Store. Alright, so once I open it, just as we did with ChatGPT, I'll upload my image, but of course with a different image. Okay, alright, so I'll upload this particular one, and I'll give it an exact prompt. But because this one has no, the hands are not showing, I think I will have to let it show my hands. So show his hands. Okay, that is now the only thing that I added with this particular one. And I'll click on enter. All right, let's see how it pan out. All right, so our character is ready. So I'll just download them onto my device and we move to the next stage. Alright, the next stage is generating our voice prompt, voiceovers for the character. I think I like the one on the left side. No, not this one. The other one. I'll download this. Yeah, this one. I think this is better. Yeah. So I'll download it and then we move to the next stage. Alright, for the voiceover, I normally use ElevenLabs.io. Okay, we are about to do text to speech. Okay, so you click on get started. Of course, maybe you're not having a new account with them, so you click on get started, and it will take you to this page where you can sign in or sign up. I already have an account. All right, that's why I've logged in already. So I click on text to speech. Okay, I'll clear this up. I had created this voiceover earlier on, so I'll clear this up and do what I intend to do with this particular voiceover I'm about to. Alright, so you will type what you want your avatar to say. Your character say in the video we are about to do. So that's what I'm typing. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, blah 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 blah. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Once I'm done, I'll click on generate speech. Of course, you can change the voice actors, but I think I had already selected my preferred voice actor, so that's what I just did. And I'll download it onto my device. All right, okay. All right, so to give life to your avatar, you sign up with Hedra.com. You come to video and then you click on character. You upload your character, the one we just created. All right, and you can select the aspect ratio, either 16:9 or 9:16 or 1:1. You get it, but I think I'll keep it to this. This is perfect for YouTube, yeah. And upload the voiceover that we had generated already with ElevenLabs. You can also generate something here like you did with ElevenLabs. Right, since you already have it, we just have to just upload it into the Hedra app. Okay, then we add to video. You click on add to video. All right. Okay, so you have to give it a prompt what you want your avatar to do. So I would say make him to talk and make gestures while talking. All right. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Once that is done, you click on generate and you click on continue. All right, so you give it a few minutes or seconds for Hedra to generate our speaking is the avatar or what? Yeah, speaking avatar part. Sorry, I have code here. That's why my voice is so messed up like that. As you can see, it is keeping a bit longer simply because we are using the free version of the Hedra app. But don't worry, I'll fasten it up for you. Finally, our video is done, so you have to download it. Let me show you the final. Then we have, that is it. Okay, so you click on play and watch it over here.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.
Okay.
Don't forget to subscribe to Nyarkowiz YouTube channel and turn on notification for more awesome content like this.
That's how easy it is to animate your 3D characters. This is perfect for Faceless YouTube channels. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. Beijo.